Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is a 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor that is attached to the 6x4 socket, and so it should be 100 microfarad. There is showing 146 microfarad. If you look at 10% above the limit, usually with a capacitor you go 20%, so 10% would be 110, 20, 120, 30, 130, of course, and 40, 140%. So it's 100. That's 20% pass outside the limit. So 26% pass the limit, above the limit for this particular capacitor. So that one's bad. Needs to be removed. And I have another one. Let's check this one over here. That's connected to the 6C4. That's in the percussion circuit. And this one is showing 145 microfarad. That's also 100 microfarad. So that cap is bad, and it's going to be replaced. I'll replace that one. This is another one that's over here. So I'll go ahead and order enough of them to replace all three of these. Alright. So I tested. This is fine. These are fine. Of course, the filter cans are fine. And so we're going to replace these electrolytics. And then fire this preamp up, and it should be okay. All right, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.